They look at Ethereum, had a pretty big announcement Sunday night, right? And the U.S. government investing in five cryptocurrencies: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, XRP, and ADA. Pretty big news, right? I mean, that's pretty massive when you get them investing in anything. That's kind of like the golden goose, right? I mean, who wouldn't want the U.S. government investing in their product? So that's going to be huge for Ethereum. Obviously, ETH has pulled back down to this lower trend line. You can see here, 100% valid trend. Looks like we could possibly have a wedge building up here. Okay, you got 1, 2, 3 touches on the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4 touches on top. 100% valid trend line. The question is, how much are they going to end up buying, right? That is going to be the billion-dollar question. Who knows? I wouldn't even know where to start guessing. It could be astronomical. It could be a little bit. I think that's right now what is holding the price from absolutely exploding. But XRP and or Ripple and Cardano are both U.S. U.S. companies, so maybe that had a lot to do with them. But who wouldn't invest in Ethereum, right? I mean, it number 2 crypto in the world, and obviously, anytime you buy or use anything on the Ethereum network, you have to pay gas fees. So this thing is always going to be in need, and with the crypto world. If we go back off the, what is this, 2017, and use our Fibonacci, you can see here we hit the 3618 in 2021. Okay, usually they go anywhere up in, normally up in this box, right? I mean, these fibs, they're deadly accurate. It's unbelievable. Up in this area, right up in here, you can pretty much count them when you use a Fibonacci. Okay. Now, if we were going on 2021 here, and is this a full-blown bull market? I don't know. It seemed like 2021, was a lot more straight up, right? I mean, this one's kind of been, especially through this zone here, been a little choppy, right? I mean, any kind of, you're looking for 5 waves here out of ETH, okay? We had one, and this is on a monthly chart, right? We had 1, 2, 3, 4, and you were looking, this one, technically, this should have been a 5th wave up to the upside. Broke out top of this wedge and took off. Right? You did have the pull up, and you did have the breakout here, and then it just rolled right over. All right, it has come back down to the top here, of a potential wave 1. We put a line across here, the closing candles, and right there it has come back down to the, and retouched that. Okay, is this a bottom? I'll tell you what, and not financial advice, but for me, this is a great entry right here. I love the long and short the market. I love using leverage, and this is a great spot to get in, right here. Take the chance on riding this sucker up. Tight stop loss right below this yellow line. That's a no-brainer on leverage, right? I mean, you just don't go no 100x. I mean, this thing moves down 5%, you're going to get liquidated, but a 10x or, even a 20x, very good return to, entry profits here. I mean, there could be some massive profits here for a long. If you do like the long and short the market, guys, over on weeks, if you go over here and sign up, it's 100% free. It doesn't cost you a dime. All right. These guys, one day a week on Sundays for the next 4 weeks, I'm going to give away $50 in crypto. To all you got to do is go over here, sign up. I get a UID number that you signed up as a new person on here. And Sunday or Monday, I'm really whichever day I get to make a video on. I don't make videos every single day, but I'll pull the winner on that video, and if you're the winner, I'll send you $50 in crypto, right? And that's how we're going to do it the next 4 weeks. But this site is awesome. I love it. Weeks token right now is 2 cents. There's only 6 billion tokens. That's it. Right? Anybody, if you know anything about crypto, you know 6 billion's not a lot, right? There's 100 billion XRP. There's 70 billion ADA. There's 6 billion is not a lot. 2 cents, 1,000 weeks tokens cost you $20, right? So who knows where this could be headed? You can use up to 300x leverage on most pairs, 400x on Bitcoin and ETH. If you like your leverage, all kinds of new sign-up stuff. And you do not have to do KYC. If you want to, and you put $200 in your futures account, you don't have to trade. If you leave it sitting there for 24 hours in your futures account, you get credited with another $100, but you have to do KYC for that one. Right? They have a spin the wheel thing all the time, and if you hold 1,000 weeks in your wallet, $20, you're eligible for free airdrops every month. So it's pretty awesome. They have 5 million users now. They have 1,000 Bitcoin fraud protection account. There's 800 million in copy trading. They're doing pretty good. You can download the app if you like to trade and go. I use it a lot. 1,000 plus trading pairs. Average daily trading volume 28.9 billion. All right, so they are doing very well. Might be something you want to look into. You know, I stocked up on some weeks. You never know, right? 6 billion tokens. I'll take a shot on that. The chances of it just getting to $1, it should be pretty easy in crypto. That's a 50x, right? I mean, yeah. So I'll take a shot on this for sure. But go over and sign up. And if you want to join our trading group, it's a level 3 membership in Discord over in YouTube. That gets you over 10 hours of videos, 20 plus videos to teach how to start charting. Okay, and it gets you a link to our Discord. We have 183 or 184 people in there now. We got some really great traders in there, guys. You get your $15 worth, that is for sure. Okay, so come join us. We have an alt season coming up, and we are going to make a pile of money. That is for sure. I can't wait. As soon as Bitcoin dominance rolls over here, that the alt season should be coming. Bitcoin dominance right here should be finishing this last wave up here, and that thing should be done. As soon as we lose this yellow trend line right here, alt season should start. That should be it. You know, I can't wait. There's going to be so much money to be made, especially with leverage trading. Okay, if you're familiar with it, if you're not, learn before you go messing around. Okay, you get wiped out pretty fast. But what a great entry down here on ETH. I'll take this any day. If you look at the monthly RSI, relative strength index is at the bottom and get ready to turn back up. Okay, so Ethereum's looking good. The weekly oversold, get ready to turn to the upside. It's bounced beautifully off that trend line. You got your daily, look at it, heading up, looks great. Bullish divergence. You had this low and you had a lower low in price, this low and a higher low in the RSI. So you got bullish divergence on Ethereum. On the bottom, the 12-hour RSI heading up, same thing, bullish divergence. ETH is looking fantastic, all right? So definitely keep an eye on that. Some major support areas to keep an eye on here, major support and resistance. That first one is coming up at about 2280. Once we retake that one, the next one up after that is about 2500, okay? Some of the first areas you're going to want to retake. That first one was 2280 and then 2500. Okay, start leapfrogging those resistance areas, working our way back up here. ETH could go on a really nice run. All right, thank you so much, guys. Hit that like and subscribe. Come sign up for that level 3 membership, please. You won't regret it. And sign up for weeks. You'll love them. Talk to you soon, guys. Thanks a lot.